excited. I'm gonna fly. There's not much else thought going into this. I got one more heat to go. I'm not gonna push or anything. I just want to get a smooth run before we get into finals, so feeling good. And then I'll have a couple more finals runs, I think, to not too much pressure on it. And then I got a battle Mike, Jay over here.
Yeah, team's winning. Team's definitely winning.
Team is.
I'll carry you guys through.
Team score is good. Yeah, Pat's got us.
Without goggles.
Came out to have fun.
Yeah,
we're doing that.
just fly at your own pace, I guess. Sticks are on fire. Did you see that?
We'll see. I'm gonna try to keep it clean and smooth, and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, he's good.
He's
Per minute.
he's got one more race to win, and then or first or second, and he's in the finals with us. And then I think he'll be good. I mean, he won his regional finals last year, so he knows how to fly fast, how to beat the competition.
Second place was Jay.
Oh!
So I crashed out, but I managed to be far enough ahead that I'm still in the finals. Jay was going fast.
Dude, he was going fast. This is too complicated.
And the drama continues.
Honestly.
That means we have 3 of our 4 guys in the finals. That's something to be proud of. We have our launch order prepared, but
We gotta figure it out for safety, yeah.
but from there,
Because who wants to crash?
you're not in this. You do whatever.
Seth Bleidinger from Georgia Tech, Seth FPV.
Sparky MG, Michael Solwichter, Embry-Riddle Daytona.
Patrick White, engineer, Embry-Riddle, Daytona campus.
Flying J, Embry-Riddle Daytona, and my name is Jay Patel.
Remember the DVR?
This is the championship race for the 2018 Collegiate Drone Racing National Championship. Can we get a little bit of applause, please? And lineup on your quads. On the tone, lesson 5.
Oh, shit.
That was amazing! That was good.
Can we get a rerun?
Hey!
What happened? You guys are lucky. And I messed up. I didn't
Uber right there.
Oh yeah. Seth, 4th place. 4th fastest pilot, collegiate pilot in the nation. In 3rd place, we got Pat coming up here. You got a trophy, you got to come over here to get. In 2nd place, we have Jay Patel. And in 1st place, we have Michael.